Love it. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be installing a rear bar on a VZ Commodore.
You have to do a take two.
What a rig. At $1,700, I bought the cheapest rear bar on the market, and today I want to show you how it fit up. You got to get those cinematic shots. Ow! That got me in the finger. Welcome to my unboxing video. Oh yes, this is definitely an Australian bar. What are you doing, Henry? Yeah, you can help. Good helping, Henry. Oh, he's gone. Henry, what are you doing? Yeah, that's actually okay.
Quite nice.
I'm a bit surprised, to be honest.
So have you only got one tyre carrier?
No, I've got a tyre carrier and a jerry can holder.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's kind of cool. It's going to peel off there, but I'll wait till the end to do that. That's going to be better than the bloody plastic anyway, isn't it? Yeah. Might even... Oh, I reckon I need to get my spare tyre out the way. So, after having quite a bit of trouble getting the spare tyre down, we decided to take the tow bar and bumper off first. Yeah, I think you'd be right. Leave one either inside if you want, but... That one. What else? This one up here has been a little pain. I think it's stripped. That just pulled straight out, that one. This is where taking the spare out would have been a good idea. How's that working for you, Jordan?
Yeah, if you want to kind of have a look at this, and it just keeps slipping out, and I'm just going to lose it.
He's going to lose it.
See, you don't even put much pressure on it. Beautiful.
Cool. Just gets tighter. Oh, only come down just a little bit. After countless attempts and continually slipping out of the spare lock nut key thing, we tried something else.
The whole thing out. And then you can just put the jack handle in there. You know what I mean?
Get the angle for it though.
The angle and dangle?
Oh, hell, did mine.
Yeah, I don't know. Some miracle. Get rid of that. Oh yeah. There you go. Oh, that's not good. Wait.
pop out?
Yeah, it actually just popped out. You just had to leave a square.
Yeah.
There you go.
Cool.
Problem solved. Oh yeah, there you go. Look at that. Good thing I brought you along, Jordan. Putting you to work. Jordan was proving to be very useful for this project and actually didn't cost that much to hire. There you go, that's your lights. These nuts, like that. All right, if you refer to page 2 of the instructions, look, even the lights on here are not the same. Indicator on the outside, indicator in the middle. Stitched up. Yeah, good. Didn't come with nuts or washers for the lights. Found our own. Get some lights in. Yeah, quite beautiful. Yeah, it's kind of pretty dodgy, isn't it? Oh, surely it's all meant to come off. I don't know.
I don't think it's supposed to, but I think I'd be more comfortable taking it off.
And just giving it a bit of some emery tape or something. And
oh, it's just so you know it doesn't rust or anything.
yeah. Dodgy as.
Got the grinder out.
You'll end up with carpal tunnel. There we go. Does it fit in this way?
Wait, which way do we need it?
Yeah, that way.
Yeah, is that the way?
Yep. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah?
Yeah, quite possibly.
Just sit it on there, can you? Or not?
What's going on there? Can you see what's going on? Oh, hold on.
Green.
That's brake light. Still brake light.
Or would it be brake?
Oh
Is
no, it
parking
might
light?
be.
Parking light? Is it brighter or?
I think it's dimmer, so it might just be your standard light.
We found a length of 7-core trailer wire in the shed, which was just perfect for wiring these lights up. I crimp connected them and taped them all at one end, soldered them into the line at the other end, and then I could solder them all into the trailer plug loom. If you do find yourself enjoying this video and go buy this bar, I'll put a little cheat sheet up on the screen just so you've got some colours to refer to.
So do you want me
It all needs to.
The fitment of it all had us a little bamboozled. In the end, we decided that the spacers on top of the tow bar were actually causing the bar not to sit properly, and we had to cut them off for it all to fit right. Tow bar. Let's hope this just comes off nicely. We'll have to stick a nut in there. I don't know. So hold on, I'll stick it through. There. See that? The swing out arm latches probably should have gone on before the bar went on. Oh really?
Oh.
Got him? Should I get out the way? Oh yeah, back towards the middle of the car a bit. Bit more. Yeah, good, down a tiny bit. With the bar all fitted up and mounted, it was bearing time. Yep. Whoever made this bar obviously had all the measurements right and then coated the whole thing in powder coat. and we found ourselves struggling a little bit getting the bearings into the bearing housings on the swing out arms with so much powder coat in the way. Yeah, this was all inclusive, $1,700 with shipping. So what do you expect, really? Cheap Chinese. But yeah, it looks alright all over, doesn't it? Like, it's hard work, but yeah, exactly.
You're gonna be dreaming about that tonight.
Oh.
Do we have the
You want to take it
50 by 70 Shanghais? Yep. I don't need much. Thank you. Like, it's just sitting out of their way. Not good. The jerry can holder was mounted, but it didn't look quite right. I saved a bit of plastic for you to peel off the other light. Satisfied?
Perfect.
The bar looked pretty good, but I just wasn't happy with that jerry can holder. So I made a few small modifications. And now that I've seen their welds, I know I'm getting Ozi4x4 a grinder for Christmas. Much better. And with some jerry cans, a tyre and a small final modification to the bar, we were set. So I hope you found this video somewhat inspirational if you're looking to put a cheap rear bar on your 105 series. Let me know in the comments below if you've put one of these on yourself, how you got on with it, what you thought. Very cheap as far as rear bars go, and definitely some imperfections, but it's on there, it fits, and I think it looks alright for only $1,700. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.